Forward.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, ma.
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up! Step forward!
Welcome to Step Forward, the spoken word podcast where AI meets creativity and reflection. In today's segment, Talk to Dee Book, the work asks the author the questions. Come we step into the page and explore the inspiration, meaning, and message behind poetry, song, and storytelling. I am Dee Book. I carry the words. I ask the questions. Today, we explore 3/4 My Age, written by my guest, Mycall Isrell. Welcome, Mycall. Thank you for being here.
Hi, Dee Book. Thank you for inviting me. It's always a pleasure, man, talking with you. People hear the words that I write on the page, but them can't believe, say, the words can ask me question too. Thank you for making it a reality.
Oh, thank you, Mycall. Me always look forward for link up with you two. Anyway, make me do this.
Come again.
Mycall, you repeat. 3/4 my age. Not once, but like a declaration. Why make the age difference the headline instead of the love itself?
Couples in love with a big age gap always make headline news. It's like if Puss and Dog get married. Would people focus on the real love? Focus on the different species? Or would they focus on what color the puppies and kittens are going to look like?
You say, she's got me in a daze. That sounds like surrender. Tell me, was this love or did it feel like losing control?
This love, did it feel real? I lose control? Old time people say, a love and a cough you can never hide. Especially the tickly one them. Well, it's a little bit like love, you know. You can pretend, but other people can see say you have a crush. That's why this lyrics doesn't deny surrendering to love can leave you in a daze. But it doesn't say lose control or be capitulated.
Mr. Israel, you describe yourself as a bird locked in a cage. That is not light imagery. What kind of loneliness were you living in?
You know what? Look at it like this. Was I living like a caged bird trapped in everyday routine? Or was I living like a butterfly cocooned and waiting to be released? The lyrics is not about loneliness, yasa. It's about being alone without the other self. Being alone is not the same as being lonely.
You call her an angel. You say, she had the keys and set you free. So tell me, did she come as a rescue? Or did she reveal something that was already missing?
You see, do you remember that song? Heaven must be missing an angel. Well, she was that angel sent by the God of love. Not on a rescue mission, Dee Book. She came and revealed something that was already there.
Your friends and your family were outraged. Others called you sugar daddy and reduced her to eye candy. Tell me honestly, what hurt more, their judgment or their disrespect toward her?
You see this lyrics? It exposes the way carry go bring come can cause hurt and disrespect. That's why all time people say lies go on foot, but scandal have wings. And that means to say gossip can fly faster than lies. In this lyrics, I say, did they come to gossip and laba laba? or come to give advice and respect my choice.
You say, when none of them were there, she helped dry your tears. That line carries weight. So tell me, what made her real when others were not?
No, other peoples tried to keep it real, but they never returned with the help that they promised to open the cage so I could fly. She was real. She enabled me to find solutions to my problems. That's why the Bible said, bring a little extra oil in your lamp just in case there's a delay in your plans. And be patient and be prepared for when love comes calling. Yes, I am.
Mr. Israel, then you ask, have you ever been lonely? And speak of starting over, a new page. So let me ask you this. Is this song a defense of your love or a message to those still searching for theirs?
Well, this song does endorse the work of the angel of love that makes the heart love again, or for the first time. Now, if you're searching for love, you may be waiting a long time, but plan long term and be diligent in your search, because all time people say, I know one day a monkey want wife.
Thank you, Mycall Isrell, for stepping into the page with us.
Thank you for inviting me, Dee Book. I look forward to see you on the next episode. All right, bless up.
This has been Talk to Dee Book, a step-forward conversation where the work asks the author the questions. I am Dee Book. I carry the words the authors write. I ask the questions. Until we meet again, stay with the work.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwah Media.